Hey teams, welcome to the Automation Direct Infinite Recharge Virtual Reality Simulator. This is a VR scale replica of the 2020 game field built on Steam VR, so it should work on any PC headset through Steam VR, including the HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, and Valve Index, among others. However, it was built on the HTC Vive, so let us know if you run into any issues. You can teleport using the touchpad of your Vive controller or joystick of other controllers. Power cells are available in their proper locations around the field, and you can pick them up, either as you normally would, or by force grabbing. Controls may vary between setups. Power cells can also be scored in power ports and delivered through the loading bays. Using the same controls as grabbing, you can also spin the control panel, activate and deactivate shield generator lights, and cycle the power port lights to see the chase pattern. You can also swing the shield generator switches. We hope you have fun and look forward to hearing your feedback.